How to blur number plate of a car or any content of a video in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you blur number plate of a car or any content of your video. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application CapCut. Alright, so after you open the application CapCut, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this new project option. So from here, you'll have to select the video. Alright, so from here again you'll have to select that same video again. So simply tap on plus icon. Now from here you'll have to select that video again. So simply tap on that video and tap on edit. Alright, so after you add two same videos on it, you'll have to just tap on that one video, and from the bottom here is so many options. So from your swipe right and you'll have to go the option overlay. So simply you'll have to tap on the option overlay. Alright, so after you add one video on the overlay, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the effect option just at the bottom. So simply tap on effects. So from here, tap on video effect. And from here, you'll have to find the effect blur. So simply you have to find the effect blur. And after you find it, you'll have to just tap on down option. Alright, so from here you can set the range of that blur content. So you can set it like this, and after you set this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the section you'll have to again tap on overlay, and from here you'll have to select the overlay video, and from this section you'll have to again swipe right at the bottom and you'll have to go the option like marks. So simply you'll have to go that option, and after you find the option marks, you'll have to just tap on it. Alright, so from here you can choose any shapes to get the blur option on your video. So I'm selecting here the rectangle. Alright, so after you choose the rectangle, you'll have to set the content or select the area where you want to make blur. Alright, so after you set this, you'll have to just tap on this invert option just at the bottom left corner. So simply tap on this invert option. Alright, so as you can see, in this way you can blur the content of your videos. Alright, so to blur the number plate of a car on a video, you'll have to just go with the option keyframe. So it will appear at the top of your video. So simply tap on this keyframe option. So after you tap on this, you'll be able to see this red dot here. So after you add keyframe, you'll have to just track your marks. So you have to track the number plate on that video. So after you track the number plate on that video, you'll be able to blur the number plate of a car. So in this way you can blur the content of a videos.